Dear Cape Town, thank you for giving me one of the best summers of my life. I loved sitting on the beaches, dancing under the setting sun, walking through the streets looking at all the pretty lights, and even climbing those damn mountains. You took my breath away, standing on top of those mountains, looking down on the penguin-filled beaches, feeling the clouds pass us by, and feeling absolutely on top of the world.
We're up on Devil's Peak! Woo!
And to the people I befriended, worked with, learned from, you inspired me, made me smile and laugh, and this has been absolutely everything I could imagine because of you all. And for that, I'm so grateful.